What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are doing a comparison between two Bluetooth speakers. On my left hand side I have a JBL Charge 4 and on the right hand side Votomy VT360. First, within the video we're going to look into the specifications of both Bluetooth speakers, following with the performance where I'll be playing some royalty free music from YouTube, concluding with that in my opinion which speaker is the best. Obviously the comparison would be sound quality as well as the how much you're paying for it, that is a key point. Let's start with the JBL Charge 4, which come with the features like a 20 hours of play time, IPX7 waterproof rating, a power bank feature so you can charge up your mobile phone devices on the play, and you can use up to 100 of JBL Charge 4 and connect them together using the JBL app as well. So pretty much decent features. And the sound quality, obviously the JBL come with the name tag for sure. And from the point of build quality, everything seems to be where it should be. All the controls on the top, battery life status indicator in the bottom, two 15-watt line drivers in the front, and a passive radiator side to side within the vacuum chamber as well. Let's not forget about the compartment, which is for accessing all the ports available on the back, supporting USB-C for the charging your Bluetooth speaker, 3.5mm auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, and a USB out, which is charging your smartphone devices. Pretty much a straightforward and fantastic Bluetooth speaker, no doubt whatsoever. Now let's have a look into the Votomy VT360 Bluetooth speaker, which come with the features like IPX7 water resistance, charging your mobile phone or tablet on the go, 360-degree surround sound, hands-free calls option, dual speaker connection, as well as up to 12 hours of play time. And if we look into the build quality, the structure is more or less like which you see in a JBL Charge 4, two line drivers of 15 watt in the front and a passive radiator in there as well. All the controlling buttons are available on the top, which will give you access for power on and off, Bluetooth, play and pause, volume control. There isn't any status indicator for your battery life at all. And again on the back you have a compartment which secures your micro USB port. Well, it's kind of not a future compatible to start with. USB out for charging your mobile phone and 3.5mm auxiliary cable for non-Bluetooth supporting devices. Now from the build quality point of view, speaker isn't that bad at all. Now if you look into the more detail of both Bluetooth speaker, they are roughly made up the similar way. Both have got the fabric design around it, and so is the passive radiator on side to side too. Now both speaker have specification differences, no doubt whatsoever. JBL Charge 4 come with the output of 30 watt, so as this VT360 Now if we look into in terms of price, VT260 is sold at about £60 and a JBL Charge 4 at about 120 sometime actually. Well, if you're lucky you're gonna get it for £100 when it offers up. Well, now it's time to go ahead with the performance test where I will be playing some royalty free music from YouTube. And within this performance test I will be keeping all the volume the same and the music the same as well. And I would highly recommend every one of you to use earphones if possible. Well, now here I am in the end of this video. Now you tell me first in the comment section down below that which speaker you like the most in terms of the price and the quality. For me, JBL Charge 4 is definitely a winner. From the sound quality point of view, for sure, the bass is solid all the way, so as all the vocals too. And that's what you wanted to hear. Kind of mids are perfect actually. Now if I look into the Votomy VT360, it also performed not that bad at all, to be honest with you. Did what is said on the tin actually. Bass is okayish, and if I look into the vocals, they were pretty clear, so kind of mids were alright. Bottom area was pretty nice as well. Now Votomy also claims that the VT360 is also surround sound. I really don't get it how, to be honest with you. It only got 2 speakers in front actually, and 2 passive radiators side to side. That's about it. And how don't know how it's going to work 360 degree. Kind of don't make any sense, to be honest with you. But other than that, everything seems to be good with the speaker. But if you have a budget, I would go with the JBL Charge 4 or other big speakers I have reviewed in the past. If you got a limited budget, VT360 is not that bad at all. So now guys, that will be completely all. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.